What's up guys, and welcome back to another video at Top Car Detailing. This video we're going to be looking at the VW Caddy van. What we're going to be doing is a couple of bits and pieces on some front bumper conversions. So if you've got a VW Caddy out there or any vehicle and you're thinking, I wonder if that's possible, if you watch this video to the end and you'll see what I did and managed to do, cutting the bumpers apart, taking pieces out, plastic welding them together, and the finished results and what can be achieved when you put your mind to something. So I'll let you guys watch the video now. There'll be some inserts of bits and pieces within this video because I've had to do this over about 4 or 5 months period, but you'll see the progress of the bumper in particular, and I'll be back soon. Okay, anyhow, enjoy the video and I'll catch you later. This time what we're going to be doing is some work on a VW Caddy Hybrid front bumper conversion job. So at the moment this is the one that I've already done. This is off the top part of the Caddy and the bottom part of a Golf GTI Mark 7. These are the front grills, as I say. Nothing's been painted on this as yet. These over here. Got these pieces too. I had to get them from China, believe it or not, off eBay. So there's some other pieces. But also, I was looking at the design of this bumper and thinking, with a V-shape going in where the grill is and that type of thing, I'm thinking, is this something I want to be putting on my Caddy? So what I thought is, hang on a minute, we've got this far with this bumper, I may just sell this on yet, I'm not sure. So I've got another bumper that we're going to do another conversion on whilst I make my mind up on this one. So I'll put this to one side now, then we'll take a look at the other one. So this is again off eBay as well. Let's have a look. Right, a brand new Caddy front bumper, 2010 to 15 model. The last one I got was second hand, believe it or not, off eBay, but this was an absolute bargain. Seen this and I thought, yeah, we'll have one of them. So what we'll be doing with this is cutting all the centre section out again and implementing the next bumper. So I'm going to put this to one side now and then we'll take a look at the other bumper that I've just got. The other bumper that I've got, some bits and pieces here we'll take a look at next. Let's put these out of the way for now. Right, so this is off a 2015 to 20 Caddy, this bumper. So we've got quite a bit to do with this. What we're going to do, take all this off, we're going to cut the line right across here to remove this top section, same along here, and then we're going to offer it up to the other bumper that we've just bought to see how this looks. This is the Caddy bumper that would probably fit our van at the moment. As you can see, the setup with that. And then this is the new bumper of the later model that won't fit on our van. So what we're going to do, first of all, we've got to find the dead centre of this. Same here with where the badge is on here. So we'll put some tape on, mark it all up, so we know exactly where we're going to be cutting. Then what we want to be concentrating on is doing a line across here to cut all this section off and then come back down round where the crease is down to the bottom here. Also, I've got to leave all these other bits and pieces out at the moment. So these are the sections that's going to slot in at the back there. So, and then obviously I'll leave these up. So then once we offer this part of the bumper up to this one, we can draw some lines around with a felt pen. This gives me an idea how much to cut off the back of this one, and then we'll crack on. Right, so so what we've done now, we've marked this, the centre section here and here on this bumper, and then I'll put this one up to it. We've also measured this part here, so that's the centre, dead centre. We'll put this tape round here, symmetrical with a line all round. And what we've got to do now is cut this top part off. So we're going to get this done on the front bumper section here. Also, what we've done is measured in 1.5 inches all down each side as well, and that's got to be cut too. So I'm going to crack on with this now. You'll see me cutting this and all that stuff, and then I'll catch up with you later. The plastic cutting saw here, as what we want to be doing is when we're cutting this part of the bumper, we're getting it at a slight angle, so it's 45 degrees near enough at the back, and then that shall fit snugly into the next part of the bumper once we're doing it. I've got the top of the bumper now trimmed off, and then we've got to get this grill out because we've got these parts here sticking out at the back. Once we put this up here, that's not going to fit in because of the grill, etc. So I'll get the felt pen now, we'll mark this out, and then once we've done that, we'll cut the centre section out, and then we'll take another look at it. So I've got a couple of screws through here, one either corner, so that's boxed off, and round here on the very bottom. So you can see how I've cut this down now, this line, so it all fits in. Now what we're going to do is put some tape around the front here, and then we're going to be cutting it with a plastic saw all the way through, right the way along. And then once we're doing this, so we're going to start in the centre first of all, then once I've got part of that done at the back, I'm going to be doing a bit of plastic welding to make sure that's spot on secure, and then I'm going to carry on trimming round here, and as I'm doing so I'll be doing some welding at the back, and then that should hold everything in place spot on, and it's now taking shape as you can see. Pretty straightforward with this, just a matter of undoing all the screws and under the wing and that type of thing. What we're doing, we'll take this off now and have a look at the other one. So the bumper's taking shape now. Obviously we've got a few more bits and pieces to do yet. We're going to cut this centre badge out completely, get rid of that a bit later. But now what I'm going to do is lift the van up a bit higher, and we're going to fit this splitter. Right, as you can see now, I've got the front splitter on here, and now it's standing proud at the front of the bumper. Now this is going to look awesome. This is going to be a badass van once it's finished. So what we're going to do next is finish securing the splitter underneath here, and then what we'll be doing is having a look at this badge section and then cutting this out. As you will see here, what I've also done is just put some clamps on either side just to hold the bumper in place, so we know everything's matching and looks perfect. There's still quite a bit of work to do on this. But what I'm doing this time, I'm cutting through here. Leaving this plastic piece intact, so this top grill section is still going to be quite solid, because you're not going to see this piece once the bonnet's down. Right, so I've just got the bumper back from the body shop after doing all that cutting, plastic welding and everything. So now we've got it painted. Got the centre grills in here, these other two grills at either end, and sorted this out. As I say, it's a bit unstable here on this table at the minute, but what we'll be doing next is putting the splitter on. But I just thought to show you a few bits and pieces here. What used to be in there, in the front grille, that type of thing, with a badge in that, and I thought, no, we need to get rid of that altogether. So that can go. And then next thing, we should be fitting this splitter. I got this off eBay as well, pretty reasonable. I think it was about £38, something like that. So we're going to get this onto the bumper next. Once I've got that on, then we'll be taking another look at it, and then we shall be changing the bumper over shortly off the Caddy. So still a bit to do yet. The front splitter fitted on the bumper now, and what we've also had to do, make some of these small blocks here. These are painted black anyway, same with the washers, and we've got to bolt these through underneath here, so we're leaving the same clearance all the way around. To say overall, this is an experiment that I've done myself, doing this bumper conversion. So if you're watching this channel at the moment and you'd like to see more videos, hit the subscribe button and share this with your friends and colleagues out there. If you're thinking of doing a Caddy front bumper conversion or whatever, follow us on YouTube, and let's see if we can get 100,000 subscribers. So let's go and have a look and get this back on the front now and see what this looks like. Right, so now we've got the bumper back on, everything's lined up. We'll drop it back down and get the wheels on, then we'll take a look at this, see how this looks. Right, so what we've done now, finished the front bumper on the Caddy, as you can see. Brought the wheels out a bit further as well, with wheel spacers, so it's looking quite good now. And removed the centre badge here, also that's been plastic welded too at the front. Same with the two bumpers, the Caddy Life bumper at the bottom, and the normal straightforward Caddy bumper at the top. Let me know in the comments below what you think of our VW Caddy. At the moment it's got 67,000 views on YouTube. I'll be back soon with another video. Anyhow, thanks once again for watching another video on our YouTube channel with our VW Caddy. And you never know what we're going to do next. I wonder what the next project's going to be. If you'd like to see more of what's going on, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, you'll be notified once our next video goes live. Until next time, catch you later.